CACCIA is a consortium between Costa Rica and Haiti. We're working on 3 very different crops: common bean, sorghum, and sweet potato, trying to accelerate the rate of genetic gain while addressing a number of dichotomies linked to plant breeding between farmer and consumer preferences, between genders, between farmers of different ages.
Haiti is one of the most vulnerable countries to climate change in the world. In 2015, about 200,000 families are affected by drought. The involvement of farmers in the work of the breeders is very important. We work for them. Involving them in the work of selection allows us to better identify the selection criteria and also to have a greater impact on the society.
We test for a bunch of qualities in the food and crops that are produced in Haiti in order to best understand what they're lacking or what are their strengths and how to best utilize them. We test for sorghum milling yields, we test for sweet potatoes, vitamin A, and also bean hardness and cooking time.
This is the field where it all started, where we started to breed our first ideotype, sweet sorghum. They're juicy, they produce a lot of forage, they produce a lot of grain. These are my babies. Diana is probably one of the most important person, and she's the one responsible for making the crosses in sorghum. This is the aphid. You can see it under the leaf. You actually can see a colony here. We managed to transfer the resistance of the aphid to the photoperiodic sorghum that were not resistant in a matter of 2 years. And this is using a number of novel approaches and technology. And this encompasses what we want to do across all crops for CACCIA.
The biggest problem in Haiti about sweet potatoes is the attack of the weevils on the sweet potato tubers, which make them unfit for human consumption. Farmers like early varieties and varieties with sweet taste.
We are developing tools for all-in-one mechanization package.
We test, evaluate, and adapt small-scale mechanization to different farms' reality. We are also designing, conceptualizing, and assembling new technologies that are affordable to farmers in order to increase their crop production and productivity.
It's not just about the crops and the quality of the science. It's also about the young, talented scientists that we're training, that are doing their PhD, that are doing their postdoc with us. It's also about building a new generation of great scientists that will be able to address Haiti's, but not just Haiti's, problems.